excited.
Yeah, it's Haulout day.
We just started motoring, whatever, moving the boat.
Moved the boat for the first time, pulled out of the sled. Doesn't handle like a sport boat. It turns pretty quick.
And we're going over to the hoist.
Hoist. New bottom time, new bottom, new prop, new graphics. It's gonna be a whole new boat. 7 days.
And by the time the 7 days is up, I won't have a cold anymore.
That's it. I don't want to have to do the whole fucking hole.
You know, let's see if it's in good shape.
Yeah.
The brown fenders on the dock.
No
I
lines,
don't.
So here.
There's no lines.
No.
So am I tying off to the
No,
right?
left. Port side.
Alright. So I'm just gonna hold the boat then?
Yeah, I'll get some lines ready really quick.
Okay. How are you gonna stop it in time?
Reverse.
There's an Adam. Hi, Adam. Gotcha.
So it went for too long without having a diver. Otherwise, it took really good care of it. So in my dive reports, I have it as fair, and I don't have any blisters noted. So if anything, maybe like what they did on Nightwind, where you have to just repair a couple blisters and epoxy the leading edge of the keel. Hopefully that's it.
Whatever's good.
I don't want to have to do the whole fucking hole.
You know, let's see if it's in good shape.
Yeah, there's hoping.
It's yours?
Turn it around. Yeah, it is ours.
So what we'll do, we'll go down here, you'll tell us where you want us to put our straps. And then we'll do the
It's
paperwork.
Catalina 30, so it's just a standard deal. He wants to know where to put the straps, but
Okay. But we don't have a specific spot, huh?
it's just there's nothing down there to fuck up besides the keel or the prop. So I haven't dived on this boat in a while. The only thing I'm worried about is the prop, the shaft.
Yeah, do you know where it exits the hole?
Oh yeah, it's standard deal. It doesn't have a full keel or anything, so this should be fine right here.
So if I put my strap here, I'll be okay?
Yeah, and then we'll just give it a little pop up and see, but you should be fine. You'll definitely clear the shaft, and it doesn't have a bulb on the bottom of the keel. It's just a normal fin keel.
Ooh, it's coming out of the water. He's on the shaft. All right, redo.
The little fender on the back is like a pair of truck nuts. Boat nut.
Are we allowed to walk next to this thing?
Once it's out, I wouldn't. You can right now.
It's a different Catalina. Sometimes the prop's way out this
Yeah.
way. Sometimes this one's inside.
It is up forward. Yeah, I gave you bad intel on that. Sorry. But if you're happy with it there,
No,
I'm
that's fine.
happy with it there. Yeah.
All right.
This thing is a beast. How cool is this hoist? Yeah.
710 big ones.
710 big ones. 7 days in the yard. Haul out. Pressure wash. Yeah.
And environmental fees. Gotta take care of the environment.
Yeah, but at least we get the paint and everything for wholesale. So.
For only $5 a day, we can take care of the environment.
Yeah. One little price.
What type of condition do we got?
Pretty good. It doesn't have a smile. It doesn't have any blisters. We have to power wash it to really see the blisters, but
Yeah.
no smile is huge. I didn't expect it.
Cool. All right.
That would have been a huge project to have to deal with. The hole is pulling away, or the keel is pulling away. Prop. Another one for the collection.
Ooh. Crunch, crunch. Cool. All the little critters living on our boat. Hey, little crab.
Tabby crabby?
Yeah, look at him.
Yeah, check him out in there.
He's all
Living in
like,
the through hole.
what happened to me, man?
You're gonna want to get out of there, homie.
Yeah.
You're gonna have a bad day if you stay in there.
It looks alright besides this here.
Yeah, okay. That's not good.
Here. And on this side there was just
What I want to see.
a little chunky.
But it's not a.
Let me see.
It's not a legit smile.
You don't have the Catalina smile.
Yeah, so that's just epoxy repair. I can live with that.
So other than that,
A couple little chips and blisters. I think just see there was some blistering, but I don't think we need to let him weep. Just sand it. Do some epoxy work, and we didn't even know if we were looking at a cutlass bearing or a smile or blisters, so we were like ready for all of it. So this is good news.
good. I like it.
Yeah, cool. You want to buy it, Ray? We'll sell it to one of your customers for $500. It got over here just fine though. I was a little like, how's it gonna? It didn't vibrate or anything.
A little bit slow, but
Yeah, you know. Yeah. See, this is that was concerning. When I dived on it last time, I was seeing that. I was like, all right. Sand it out and put a zinc on it. Yeah. All in all, I think I'm pretty happy with it. There's
Holy shit, dude. Well, I don't think that's what they intended.
I wish I had seen that.
It landed on the rocks and everything. Oh my god. Oh. Take 2 on the trimaran being lifted.
So there's a bit of a smile. The keel's separating from the hull. So we're gonna grind out this spot right here, and we're gonna basically rebuild this surface with flex epoxy. But we have to grind this out first. Let it weep to make sure there's no water in there. So while I'm sanding tomorrow, this can dry out, and then we'll rebuild it with flex epoxy, and then sand that, and then paint over all of it with the barrier coat, and then which is epoxy paint, and then we'll be ready to do the bottom paint. So we got our work cut out first dealing with this and this, but I'm pretty excited for where the boat's at. It's in pretty good shape.
All right, smartass.
I love the light blue.
Yeah, the light blue it's going away now.
Can't wait to see that green going.
Whoa. What does that do?
In the event of an earthquake, it doesn't allow the stand to
Oh,
walk
seriously? That's what that is? Okay, she's ready to move. Woo. It's holding. Cool. Look at that big pin. Cool. There she